Are you starting a postgraduate doctoral course this year? You might be able to get a postgraduate doctoral loan to help towards your course and living costs while you study. Your loan payments will be spread out across all the academic years of your course. The loan is paid in 3 installments at the start of each term. You'll have to repay any postgraduate doctoral loan you borrow, but not until you've left your course or 4 years after you start and your income is over the UK repayment threshold. The amount you repay each month is based on your income, not how much you borrowed. You'll repay 6% of your income over the repayment threshold towards your postgraduate doctoral loan. You should apply as early as possible once the application service opens to make sure you get your money in time for starting your course.